afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the Mirrors Got Talent show. Basically, first of all, thank you so much for accepting to participate in this program. In fact, I should thank Bhagyashree for just immediately joining in. We had two parents who were supposed to be joining this meet along with their kids. But because the kids are coming home a little late, they're not able to make it. And I had an important procedure that I couldn't postpone. So that is the reason I wanted to still carry on with the show with participants who can join in. Basically, Mirrors Got Talent is a talent show where we are connecting to mothers and babies that I have delivered way back from 2009 onwards till date. We are very fortunate to have the contact numbers of each one of these champions whom we've delivered. And we want to really showcase the talent of these young kids who can, do wonders. So basically, again, we want to emphasize the fact that every child has a unique talent, and this talent has to be nurtured. And this is the responsibility of the parents right from when the baby was a fetus, because we believe that in utero fetal programming, ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಈ ಮಗು ಯೂಟ್ರಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದ್ರೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಮಗು the programming ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ವಂಡರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನರ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಬೇಬೀಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ so that they become independent and confident citizens of the world. So gone are those days where people just concentrated on school academics. It's much more than that. We need to empower these kids with a lot of extracurricular exposure, so that these babies or these children are going to be growing as very, very confident individuals to face this complicated world that is in store for them. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ we want these mothers to give a pregnancy tagline experience, so that ನಿಮ್ಮ pregnancy ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, how would you want to remember your pregnancy as ಅದೊಂದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. We are archiving these pregnancy taglines, and this will be motivational to all other aspirants who are wanting to get pregnant, because ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ ಅಬಾರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕನ್ಸೀವ್ ಆಗಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಮಗು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆನಲ್ಲೇ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ದ ಕರೇಜ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಾರೋ ಅನ್ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಮಕ್ಳಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಇನ್ಸುಲಿನ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ದೆಮ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಅ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಟು ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಅ ಗೋಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಪ್ರೆಷಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೋರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನಲ್ ಲೈನ್, so that this will add value to so many others in a way that you don't know. This is how you could probably give back to the society. So ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಗುಗುನು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, which you can download. This will actually highlight the exceptional character in this baby by our which is judged by our expert committee, and this you can actually keep it as your souvenir. Adaldene we are going to have a semi-final round as well as a final round, which is going to culminate for Mirror Foundation Day. The Mirror Foundation Day anta ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. I started Mirror Health in 2016, but basically I was communicating with all these patients for a long time. It's been a long association. So I gave it a name called Mirror Health only in 2016. So basically Foundation Day celebrations ali, we want to call in 3 finalists as well as the mothers who we are also going to extend an invite to all the participants. And we are also going to announce the results of, those mothers who have given meaningful taglines as well as motivational talks, so that, they will on-site perform along with a small cultural show. So it is a big idea in the making. And with all this, I would welcome our champions and their little champions. So we have Chaitana and Bhagyashree as mothers, and we have Prajwal. Is it Prajwal? Chaitana, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ಹೆಸರೇನು?
Prajwal.
Yes, Prajwal. Prajwal and Aprameya as the little champions today, who are going to probably host, take on the stage to perform. So I first invite Mrs. Chetana. So please introduce yourself and also give a small introduction of the kid and let us know what the kid is going to do. Also highlight the date of birth of the baby. This is not a competition. We are not actually grading the babies based on their ages or what they are performing. We are only looking at the confidence with which the baby is doing things. All right. So I invite Chetana, my very, very precious I would say an association for long, to come and introduce herself and also her baby and also give us her experience through pregnancy. Then we will call it Bhageshri. Yes, Chetana, you can take on the stage.
Good afternoon, ma'am. For us, you are next to good. Our life has been revolving after you have given us a sweet memory, and the whole life, our family are very thankful to you. And my aunt from US also, she's a doctor. She spoke to you when during my pregnancy to
Absolutely.
thank you sincerely from our heart, because I got him after 14 years of my married life. So, and he was born on 31st July 2014, and he's 7.5 years of age as of now. And when he was born, the day was it was a state band, and in spite of that, you came to deliver the baby and a healthy baby, and we are very, 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 from the heart we say thank you so much, man. It's the least words what we can use. You're just next to the God to us.
I'm
And
overwhelmed, Chetana. So
yeah,
can you tell
because
us what?
I had never got a platform to thank you so much, and because soon after the birth, and there's nobody at home to assist other apart from my mother. So you get busy with your new life. So one tagline I would like to say is trust and welcome a new life.
Okay.
For the
So you,
whoever is going to be mothers, I would like to say trust and welcome a new life,
okay.
because ma'am is very experienced. She's very very approachable and very encouraging throughout the day. Whenever we used to come for our meets with you, scheduled appointments, you used to be with your speech, it would you would encourage us, meet us, and have been a sincere student for you, ma'am.
I'm so glad,
And
Chetana, and I also remember those days. See, most of them, I feel the common characteristics that we find in mothers who have been successful in spite of so many difficulties is that they've all been very meticulous. They listen to us, they follow things the way they should. And so they've put in a lot of hard work. And I also find that the whole family is supportive. ಸಿ
yes.
ನಾವೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಹಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಡೈರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಈ ತರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ಈ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಶುಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಆ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಸೇ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲಮ್ ಟು ಸಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರಾನೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯು ಕಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶುಯಲಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿನ ಕ್ಯಾಶುಯಲ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ನನ್ ಮಗು ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಜರ್ನಿ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಸೇ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಳೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರುನು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸೊ ಶೀ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಒಂದು ಭರವಸೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸರ್ಕಮ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಏನೇ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರು we will definitely go through it very slowly and still reach our destination. We will not stop just because there is a speed breaker. So you're one of those very meticulous pregnant moms and those what I would say a very positive person. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು and that too in a very positive frame of mind which ultimately led to the making of, I would say, Prajwal. Prajwal is such a wonderful name. It says light and radiance. So definitely he deserves to be that. So Prajwal, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಇವತ್ತು?
Introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Prajwal. I'm 7 years old. I'm studying in Presidency School, grade 2, 2B. And my favorite color is red. And I like to build something with Lego. Well, Lego is my favorite toy.
Wow.
And I like to show you a model of one.
Did you do it?
Yeah, by myself.
What was it? What is it? It's a military something like that. It's a
The military monster truck.
it's a what?
Military monster truck.
Military monster truck. Fantastic. So just a minute, ma. Just a minute. So can you tell us? Can you just show us? What? Can you just make anything of this, something like this, and show it to our audience?
Yeah, well, I have a truck.
This is
War car.
Okay, you made all of this.
Yeah, by myself.
Can you just show us quickly how to make one of this with a Lego
Yeah.
toy? ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
pull it up. Fixing
Okay.
pull it out and see you want to
When I grow up, I want to be a robotics engineer.
You want to be a what? Robotic scientist?
Robotics engineer.
Okay, you want to be a robotics engineer. All right. Okay. So basically
done.
ನೀನು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀನೇ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಸೆಂಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ?
apart from making the models, from the fixed, whatever you get, they make the models, but he takes from that parts and mix it with some other parts and makes his own model.
Very creative. So suppose we give you the stage, ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಸೆಂಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? Can you do it and show it to our people?
Yeah, but it will
Very
take
good.
some time.
That's fine. By the time I speak to Aprameya, can you just, get something new and do it and then finally let us know? Is that possible?
Ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am. I would like to say
I would like to sing a song from Three Idiots movie.
Okay, you can sing. Yeah.
Song is Sorry, Umraham, Mar Mar के जिले एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो ना 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 na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I want to grow up once again. Na 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 na.
Wow, that is very nice.
जवानी पी गई एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी ले एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो. Thank you.
Very nice. In hobbies, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್?
Well, I like cycling and I like playing bouncing.
Okay. And how did you learn to sing?
Well, I don't know, but when I want to when I want to do something, I just build it,
So
and
he's
I can
very creative.
learn one sentence in just 1 minute.
Wow. So
When
do
I
you know
learn
what is artificial intelligence? Has your mom told you about it?
No,
You have to ask her that. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕೇಳಿ. What Chetana? You have to tell him about artificial intelligence. He's wanting to be a robotics engineer. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಗ್ಲಾಡ್ ಚೇತನ, ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ. And I'm so
Yeah.
happy that Prajwal is such a smart guy. Okay, he's so crisp. He's very crisp. He's very creative. He's got a lot of enthusiasm to learn new things. So he's such an attentive and a very, very interactive kid. So his communication skills are excellent. I'm so glad, Prajwal. We will let you know about the semifinals and the finals. But in case our experts decide to call you, even otherwise, we will be calling you. You should be ready to make a toy, Lego model on stage. Will you be able to do that?
Yeah. Well, it
Fantastic.
will take some time.
That's okay. We'll give you the time. Okay. Fantastic, Prajwal. I'm really glad that you were able to show us those models that you did. And your mom told me that they were not based on the pictures. It was your creative idea, which is very, very important. I respect and adore your creative mind. Please harness it, Chaitana. I'm sure he's got a lot of things to innovate in the future. Now, Chaitana, you told about
Yeah.
your pregnancy tagline. Shrikant and Rajgopal, are you archiving her line? Did you know what she said? She said it should be
Trust
a
and
trust.
welcome a new and
You
welcome a new
trust,
life.
put in trust to welcome a new life is her tagline. Please put it there. And Chaitana, before we move on to the next, person, I mean, the next association, I mean, I'm talking about Bhagashri Naprameya. Can you tell us something, considering that this is going to go onto the YouTube channel of Mirror Health? ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ aspirants who are not able to conceive and deliver, or who are not able to have babies successfully. So what would you want to tell them as like your real life experience? What are the things that you would tell them, standing on the other side?
Yeah, see, I would like to say, like, I too, did this puja, this and that puja, visited few doctors. I did as, in a very good hospitals only. And in spite of that, things were not successful. I was tested with partial PCOD. Then I had this thyroid problem. Someone even said, there's a starting of TB. Went through a whole lot of process. And also I've, after sometimes lost hope. Then I didn't want to go in for any of the things of the pregnancy treatment and things like that. Then again, my aunt said, why don't you go in for an IVF or an IUI? Just consult someone or something. I underwent that also. Then after that, it was not successful. Then I totally lost all the hope. And after that, I received, conceived after 6 months to 6 to 8 months after my IVF treatment. I conceived naturally. So one thing I would just say, for good people, good things will happen. Only things, you might get your turn a little late, but never lose hope. That is the one thing I have learned. Never to lose hope. And once you're in it, in any of the treatment, once you're in it, you have to give your, you in the sense, the concerned person has to give full, attention to whatever they're going in for. There are ups and downs in life, when you're in your pregnancy journey, but still, there's a light at the end of the tunnel, as you say. So we have to, one thing, keep it in mind, good things will happen to good persons. So, and we are also under the hands of, safe hands like you, ma'am. That is never to be forgotten. We will always, nourish it in our life. So one thing, we are always blessed to get a doctor like you. You're so approachable. And the moment you give your, phone number to us, the half the battle is won in our third semester. Before also, you had given us shared your mobile number, and the way you explain to us how, how to take care, how to go about with the same energy. In spite of seeing so many, patients throughout the day, or and then during the last third semester, my baby was not growing inside it. He was just 1.5 kgs inside the tummy. So then you came, did the scan, then you prescribed some, vitamins or powders or something like that. Then the baby, by the time of delivery, was 2.5 kgs. So the things, you were for us next to God, as I said previously. So I trusted you, ma'am, without any questions, without anything referring to anybody. Didn't listen to anybody's, why so many scans, why so many. I would say that you want to be mom, not to, don't share. Every person is unique on their own. Every person's health is unique. There's so many things. I had thyroid, and then I had even diabetes, pregnancy diabetic also. I just listened to you, ma'am. I was, uh, uh, consistently, I did not listen to anything. Yes, I had to undergo injections. The beginning of the pregnancy, every day I had to prick myself on my thighs. It was painful, but one thing, you need to succeed. You need to see a smile. You want something in your life. You have to sacrifice to a certain extent. You cannot say that is, you cannot bear the pain. You want a new life to be born. You need to do it from our end. So doctor is there for us, but we have to also do it from our end. Never to give up attitude has to be there with the patients who wants to undergo the treatment, or whatsoever might be the thing. And we are blessed to have you, ma'am.
ಚೇತನ,
And
ನೀವೇನ್
even after my delivery also, after 1.5 months, then I had this viral infection, something I caught. I could not move my legs, I could not feed the baby. And immediately I consulted you. You took my, you answered my call in the night, and you said what has to be. You guided me what I have to do. So really, we are very thankful to you, ma'am. I would tell all the mothers, you're all in the safe hands. Please don't stop any treatments in between. Kindly, you need to believe. Once you may see a failure, but failure cannot be ever. So you will also, cherish the success at the end, and it will be a fruitful cherish for the lifetime. That smile when you see your baby, it is abound everything. No jewels, no status, nothing, no money, nothing. Things might be
absolutely,
hard,
Chetan.
but at the end it is, at the end it's like, it's a blessing in disguise. That's all
Absolutely,
I
Chetna.
would
ನೀವೇನೇನ್
like to
ಹೇಳಿದಿರಾ
say.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ there is a lot of what to say wisdom. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, like lot of people ask me this question. I was monitored somewhere. There was two scans, the anomaly scan, the NT scan, and then finally. See, what is important to understand is basically by just looking at a pregnant woman, we will not be able to identify what is happening to the baby. And if you want to reach that level where you want to measure everything and find out what is happening to the blood supply, what is actually causing a challenge in this baby, you will have to do surveillance. And surveillance protocols involve frequent visits, identifying the medical conditions, treating them, and obviously measuring all the outputs on scan. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಗು ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಪೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್. ಹೈಪೋಥೈರಾಯ್ಡಿಸಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಬ್ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಶುಗರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಥ್ರಾಂಬೋಫಿಲಿಯಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಈ ಮಗು ಯೂಟ್ರಿಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್. The whole idea of having developmental origin of adult health and disease ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ to program these fetuses to become healthy adults in the future. So this is what we did, and now you're reaping the benefit. And so it was not like, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅದು hardship ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. You should think that it is a positive exercise that I am undergoing, which would probably, this is the best I can do to make my baby healthy. So this is something that you have to probably do, unwind from all the negativity and move towards a positive path. And then definitely you will be a very successful mother, like how Chetana is today with Prajwal. Thank you so much, Chetana. Please be around. We are going to talk to another champion like yourself, whom I've, delivered
I would also,
twice.
I would also like to say, when I delivered Prajwal, I was 38 years of age. So young mothers should be more motivated with that age factor also. Nothing is impossible. Or you're always in the safe hands, like under your guidance, ma'am.
Yes, basically the focus, the perseverance, and the will to go ahead. And then now you have your baby Chetana, and this Prajwal is definitely programmed superbly in the womb. And I'm so glad that he is such an enthusiastic and an innovative child. So congrats to you all. And I will also take some credits to myself for all the surveillance that we did together. Please stay on. And before we actually welcome our next participant, so we have Bhagyashri Kuber, who is there with us with her son, Aprameya. And I feel so nice to call his name because my son's name is also Aprameya. So, incidentally, his name is very close to my heart too. So all the children are like my trophies. They are all my children too, because, we've all taken, it's like a team. All of us participated to make this dream a reality. So we call Bhagyashri Kuber. Bhagyashri, please come on the screen. First, you introduce yourself and also introduce Aprameya. And ನಿಮ್ಮ pregnancy experience ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ you can let Aprameya perform and then tell us about your pregnancy tagline experience and also a motivational line ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So Bhagyashri, please come on stage.
Yes.
Yes, Bhagyashri, ಹೇಳಿ. Is Bhagyashri there? ಹೇಳಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ, ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿಮ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗನ.
Yeah, I am Bhagyashri Kuber. My son Aprameya, he is 8-year-old now. He is in BP Indian 4th standard, Malleshwaram. Actually, newer supervision.
ನಿಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ. ಹಲೋ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನಿಮ್ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Hello, your video is getting stuck, Bhagyashri. Can somebody tell her that? Yes, Chetana, if you have something to say before Bhagyashri joins in, you can just continue. And what do you feel about this whole program? This Foundation Day program is going to have our children who are going to actually perform and show their talent. We're going to have some motivational speeches. We're going to have a small cultural program. And we're going to also felicitate the mothers and the kids. So how do you feel about this program? Do you think it's something different and something which is so refreshing? Do you feel that?
Yes, ma'am. It'll give us physically we can come and meet you, greet you.
After a long time, yeah.
After a long time. They have grown up also now, so they can, they can play for themselves.
Very nice. That's a very special experience, when the child comes and says, "Hi, doctor. My mom told me that you delivered her and you saw me for the first time." And I feel so privileged, for getting that tiny tot out. It's a very satisfying experience.
They might also, get a chance to see you in person because, you'll be in busy. We don't know when you are available in your clinics and things like that. So that's
Very
a nice get together.
We are always a call away. We do a lot of teleconsultations. We've managed pregnancies out of Bangalore by collaborating with the clinicians. We also do teleconsultations abroad. So, there have been a lot of people asking us for second opinions. And considering that now COVID regulations have come down a little bit, so we are seeing patients with full precautions. So we're just a call away. So if you would want to reach out to us or give this positive message to anyone else whom you think needs such a kind of a help, please share our numbers, because we also want to empower them just like we did it to you.
Yeah, sure.
Bhagyashri, are you there? Bhagyashri?
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, you can.
I'm studying in presidency school. And thank you, ma'am, for taking care of me and my mother.
Oh my God, I feel so overwhelmed. Imagine the baby that I delivered is thanking me. I'm so glad my day is made. Prajwal, God bless you. Chetana, how has your journey been actually after we delivered Prajwal?
like it's a new, everything changes drastically. Like you need to give, take care of him. And however, as the pediatrician at your end also, however he suggested, because the baby was less than 3 kgs, so he just suggested how to give bath and all those things. Probably, Um, so we followed everything after the child's birth also, ma'am, as in how the pediatrician also suggested, and got his vaccination done as and when called in for, followed strictly and with a strict diet and everything, however you have said. And the nutrition part, I got to know only after getting into pregnancy. We would just fill our stomachs, just eat something, this and that, and never knew the proper way of taking in the nutrition to ourselves. So you all guided us, and even now I follow the same thing now.
Very good,
To be
Chaitanya.
healthy, we
And
need to take nutrition.
we had situations when, suddenly there used to be problems. I remember talking to your aunt in the US
Yeah.
who was a doctor, and we
Yeah.
communicated, and, we kind of built your, what do you say, your confidence that we were doing the right things and you were not in trouble. So, are there situations, Ali, how did you actually decide to motivate yourself, to go through the difficult, untrodden path?
Basically, I've been a non-science student. So anything, you would take some medical terminologies and things like that to know myself, to understand myself. I would go into the Google, search what are those things, and I would not follow what and they have. In Google you get plenty of things, but I would not
Yes.
follow any of the things just to
So
know
definitely
the terminology.
Google
Yeah.
is not, you can't just follow Dr.
Yeah, we
Google.
can't
You need to
rely
really,
on that. We can't rely on that. So semester wise, what is semester? What is, just to make myself
trimester
familiar with
wise,
the
yeah.
terminology. Yeah, I try to, Google things and try to know in a better way.
You brought about a very important fact, because there's a lot of information on Google, but this is not customized information, may not be really relevant to all
Yeah.
people. So you have to take all the advice from properly qualified medical personnel to make a difference to your treatment. It's just an
Mhm.
add-on information to keep
Mhm.
you updated about some supportive information, but it is not the kind, it's something that can give you your diagnosis. All right.
Yes.
So that's a very important point that you actually brought out, Chetana. And meanwhile,
Yeah.
is Bhagyashree ready to join us?
Yes, ma'am. We have joined.
Yes. Very good.
Yes.
Now you sound very powerful. Yes, Bhagyashree, tell me. Tell me about yourself and introduce your son and let us know what Aprameya wants to do. Come on. Yeah. Matadi. Aprameya?
Kuber, he is expert in shlokas. He's expert in shlokas.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I'm expert in shlokas, and my favorite hobby is seeing constellation and planets. I have made a homemade telescope.
Wow, really? Okay. How old are you, Aprameya? Neene helappa. Yavaga, when is your date of birth?
5th April 2012.
Okay. And you actually look at the stars and you have a homemade telescope. Oh my God. So
Can I
you
show, ma'am?
are a budding astrophysicist. What should I say?
Adella ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. Ma'am, can I show that?
Yes, you can. Of course you can.
Just a minute.
Heli, Bhagyashree, Vag heli, it's your turn.
Basically, he is an expert in shlokas, ma'am, also. He
Very
knows
good.
Sahasranama and other shlokas.
Ma'am,
Wow. ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀಯಪ್ಪ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ನೀನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
Orion, Capricornus, Big Dipper, and Phoenix, Southern Fish, and Whale. That's all I have seen constellations until now.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ?
Ma'am, I learned from my dad, and I have an app. I can see where are planets and constellations, where are they in north, south, like that. And I have an entire stellar scope. It's like a scope. If we set the latitude, it will show where it is, where the
Location of the
location of the constellations. 1 minute.
Okay.
His father is professor in aerospace, IAS, you know, he learns from his dad.
Oh, very nice, very good. So ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು ಅದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ?
ಒಂದ ವಾರ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ಟೆಲಾರ್ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹಾ, ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅದು? ಅದೇನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಲಾರ್ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ?
ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ತಿಂಗಳ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಏನ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ತಾರಾಲಯ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾರ್ತ್ ಒಂದು ಸೌತ್ ಒಂದು. I took make the telescope about a week or two.
Okay, so stellar scope to telescope ko ಏನಪ್ಪ difference? So this is only for stars, is it? Stellar scope bari stars ka?
Only
location
because
constellation
because
location
you can make out only constellations. The planets are always orbiting. We can't tell where are they now. So that's why there are any planets there. Only constellations and the zodiac belt.
Wow, so you are really I mean fantastic. So ದೊಡ್ಡವನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ ಪ್ರಮೇಯ? Astronomer ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ?
In astronomy.
What do you want to do?
PhD in astronomy.
Okay, that's fantastic. Ivagle, I can see a budding astronomer in you. Congratulations to you and your parents, and of course to me. Alva?
And I know Vishnu Sahasranama, Hanuman Chalis.
ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಇವಾಗ?
ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಚಾಲೀಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹೇಳು.
ವಿಷ್ಣು ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, for you have about 2-3 minutes. ಹೇಳು. ನಿಂಗೆ 3 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಚಾಲೀಸ ಹೇಳು.
ಹನುಮಾನ್ ಚಾಲೀಸ್ I can tell only 5 slokas of the Vishnu Sahasranam.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ, ಹೇಳು. ಅಪ್ರಮೇಯ, ನಿನ್ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಪ್ರಮೇಯೋ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭೋ ಅಮರ ಪ್ರಭು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಸಂಖ್ಯೇಯೋ ಅಪ್ರಮೇಯಾತ್ಮ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಶಿಷ್ಟ ಕೃಚ್ಯುಚಿಹಿ. 2 ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಲಿತಾ
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಇವಾಗ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಯಾ, ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಶುಕ್ಲಾಂಬರಧರಂ ವಿಷ್ಣುಂ ಶಶಿವರ್ಣಂ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಂ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನವದನಂ ಧ್ಯಾಯೇತ್ ಸರ್ವವಿಘ್ನೋಪಶಾಂತಯೇ ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಮುದೀರಯೇತ್. ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ವಸಿಷ್ಠನಪ್ತಾರಂ ಶಕ್ತೆ ಪೌತ್ರಮಕಲ್ಮಷಂ ಪರಾಶರಾತ್ಮಜಂ ವಂದೇ ಶುಕತಾತಂ ತಪೋನಿಧಿಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಾಯ ವಿಷ್ಣುರೂಪಾಯ ವ್ಯಾಸರೂಪಾಯ ವಿಷ್ಣವೇ ನಮೋ ವೈ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ನಿಧಯೇ ವಾಸಿಷ್ಠಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮಃ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ನಿಂಗೆ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು?
ಈಗಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಹಾಡುಗಳು ಸ್ತೋತ್ರಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಸ್.
ನಿನಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ ಹಾಬೀಸು ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? And you want to seriously pursue a profession in astronomy, correct?
Yes.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಅವಾಗ ಅವಾಗ.
That is a scientist Disneyland.
Yes.
Okay, God bless you. And I'm so glad ನೀನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ. You're so fluent in whatever you're saying. ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ? Suppose we call you for the finals and tell you how to demonstrate how you made a telescope. ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
Okay, no problem, I can do.
Okay, so basically if our expert reviewers choose you for the semi-final round and then we give you an opportunity, can you please show it to our audience? Telescope hang madodu and how what is a stellar scope, how is it different from a telescope, ivella nin helak agata?
Yes, ma'am. I can tell and show them how to make.
Yes, that is fantastic, Aprameya. I am so happy for you. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ ತಮ್ಮಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಇಬ್ರು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ಅಜಯ್
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಜಯ್
ಅಜಿತ್ ಇಬ್ರು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗ್ ಕಡಪ್ಪ, ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹರ್. ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ, ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಇಂದ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀನ್ ಯು ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನಿಮ್ ಮಕ್ಳು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೇಬೀಸ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವಿ ಡಿಸರ್ವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ ಸೋವನೀರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ ದ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ. Chetana, you know, now we have a custom where ಯಾರನ್ನ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, we are giving them a graduation certificate.
We are also planning to bring, actually we thought of bringing our kids to your hospital and show to the staff and others too, but basically because of this corona we
please Bunny Vaga, we want to take a photograph and we also will give you a certificate because she is a recently delivered mother. Chetana time ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ we are giving certificate. We will give you an alumni certificate, Chetana, if you come to the foundation day.
Okay, sure.
Okay, ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ, ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ 2 ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Yeah, because I wanted to tell that because usually these high risk pregnancies are very difficult, but I know by that time namge ansute enidu tumba torturing ansute, but really what you are calling is really very good for our health and health of our babies anta ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಕರೀತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಆಗಾಗ ದೇ ಕೀಪ್ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಆತರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಹೇಳಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಟ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ದ ಬೇಬಿ, ವಿ ಡೆಲಿವರ್ಡ್ ದ ಬೇಬಿ ಪ್ರಿಮೆಚೂರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೌ ವುಡ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್? ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಟ್ವಿನ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಮಗು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಮಗು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, NICU ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೌ ಶುಡ್ ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ? ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ.
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನೇನೋ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಅಪ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್ಸ್, ಏನೇನೋ ವಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಹೈ ರಿಸ್ಕ್, ಏನೇನೋ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅವಾಗ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಹೈ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಭರವಸೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಏನು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಈ ಟ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಏನೇನೇನೇನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಆತರ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬಾರ್ದು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೀವ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅವತ್ತು, ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೀವು ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀವಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರಿಯಲಿ ದೇರ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ನೆನ್ಪು?
ಒಂದ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಯಾರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ದೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆತರ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಸೇ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಗಾಡ್. ಇವಾಗ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬಿಡಿ, ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ದಾಗ ನಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ, ಅದೇ ತರ ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳೋದೇನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲೀಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಪರ್ಸಿವಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ
ಪಾಪ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ನ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವೇನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಏನ್ ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಹೇಳಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Whatever the problems we had, for that only you had prescribed. Nothing was unwanted.
ಸೊ ನೀವ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಿಮ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನನ್ ಮಕ್ಳಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಬಾರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾವ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ದಿನ ಕನ್ಸೀವ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. ಸೊ ಅಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಧೈರ್ಯ ತುಂಬ್ತೀರಾ?
ನಾನ್ ಹೇಳೋದೇನಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋಪನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ಲೇಬೇಡಿ. ಟ್ರೈ 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 ಡೈ ಟ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ.
Sure. So you mean to say you do it now or you die? ಅಂದ್ರೆ do or die ತರ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಡೈ ಟ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಡೈ ಆಗೋ ತನಕ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರವಾ.
Never quit your battle.
Our confidence at all, actually.
Correct.
We should believe in you. We should have a trust and belief in you. And whatever you say, we have to listen. ಒಂಥರ ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಒಂಥರ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆನ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಹೇಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ರಿಲಿಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೊಹಮ್ಮಡನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವ್ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗಿವ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ.
That's a very nice point.
ದೇವರು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಮಾತು ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರತ್ತೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರತ್ತೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇಂದ ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೂಗಳಾಗಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ವೇದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ ಮಾತನ್ನ ನಾವು ವೇದ ತರ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ, ಅವರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ.
Correct.
I
have to tell this, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ Bhagyashree actually was in the US for quite some time, and then she came back to me after her first pregnancy, and she was feeling so nice because she was able to discuss everything with me again. So nimge ide treatment protocols when it came to when you were living in a different country to here, so did it make a difference to you, Bhagyashree? Did it help you in any way, or was it different?
Definitely the treatment procedure monitoring is completely different from here in Baltimore, where I had been in Johns Hopkins in Baltimore. Really illi tara screening monitoring or madode illa. It depends, their treatment monitoring method of treatment, everything depends on our
Hello.
Insurance.
Yes, insurance in that
had a certificate. Blue Cross, Blue
ನಿಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ Bhagyashree.
Blue Shield ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ.
Okay, so basically ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, when you were in Baltimore it was an insurance driven prescription, so ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು to maybe reach your goal at that stage of your life.
Because they didn't want to go what ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. It was according to my insurance plan.
Okay, so but ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರಿ, ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಒಂದ್ ಮಗು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ again you came and met me. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ advantages ಅನ್ಸ್ತು? I mean the kind of treatment protocols, access to doctors.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನನ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನನಗೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ರೂಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಆ ರೂಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಅಂತ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್, ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ 15 days ಯು ಆರ್ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆತರ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅವರು ನನ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಔಟೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇ ರೂಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಲವಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ಹೊರತು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ,
ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್
basically the advantage
difference. That is the main difference between Baltimore hospital and in Mirror Health.
Okay, so ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ basically
ಅದೇ ಮೇನ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಗೋಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಯೂಸ್? So that's why I failed 2 times there.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ,
So when I came here after coming here after
ನಿಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ. ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ.
ಅದೇ ಮೇನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದು. ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ರೂಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
ಓಕೆ, ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಏನೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು,
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಥೈರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಸ್ ಮುಂಚೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ರೂಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಏನೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದು ದ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಷಿಯನ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಬಯಸ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೋಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇರೋ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ವೆದರ್ ದ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಸ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, whether they want to continue treatment or not is left to the patient, alva. Adikke anta we should not rule out disclosing the latest scientific evidence and facts which will make a difference to the treatment. Adalva ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. And I also, one good thing about Bhagyashree and her husband is, her, as you all know, her husband is a scientist in the Indian Institute of Science. He was with Johns Hopkins. He was practicing there as a professor. And I found that, what do you say, that inquisitiveness in him. Actually, nan yene report kotruno, her husband used to do a thorough search and understand every little line, every line of the report that I actually gave it to them. They were so consciously alert. So anta couple gave, when we told them the facts, it was very easy for us to convince them that and there's a challenge, we need to treat you for this. And we reached our goal, because it was not an easy goal, it was a very difficult goal, something next to impossible. So I will definitely remember you, as well as Mr. Kuber, or Professor Kuber, who has been such an asset as an association to us. And I'll never forget his questions and his analysis.
If you find my husband, Professor Mr. Dhirendra Kuber, definitely he will explain you very well than me, I think.
So our support ittalla nimge. Your husband was always following you treatment protocols, nice. and esto difficult situations bantu when he was not physically around, but still, we did the teleconsultations, we talked to him, we did the right decisions, we got the right channel. Adu COVID time alli ella aagta ittu. In spite of that difficult COVID situation, we somehow, reached our goals, Bhagyashree. I'm so happy for you. So basically, one final message that both of you can give to our viewers before we sign off, both Chetana and Bhagyashree.
Yeah, final message. Yeah, never lose confidence, hope, believe in Dr. Revati and Mirror Health. And follow so whatever he says. Like Veda, what I call in Hindu. Veda mantra tana madam ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ.
Thank you so much, Bhagyashree. Please be connected.
ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೂಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಏನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡದೆ, ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ದೆ, ಎಂಥೂಸಿಯಾಸಮ್ ಇಂದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗುಡ್.
So please stay connected, Bhagyashree.
ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು.
Okay. Chetana,
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಟಿಸೋನ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನನ್ಗೆ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಬಂತು.
ಬೀಟಾಮೆಥಾಜೋನ್.
ಆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಎವ್ರಿ 2 to 2 hours ನೀವು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಶುಗರ್ ನ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅದು ಒಂದ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಬರಿ ಪಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲಾರಂ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎವ್ರಿ 2 hours ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದ್ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
Okay. Very nice. And I give my inquiries
ನೀವು
to your
ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ,
husband
but
as well as your
ನಾವು
two little kids, Ajay and Ajit. All
yeah,
right. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. We are just a call away. Please
yeah,
stay connected. Okay. ಚೇತನ
sure.
ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಚೇತನ before we wind off?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ಚೆಕ್ಅಪ್ ಡನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್, ನೆವರ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್, and trust is the thing. And we have all undergone so many things. We have told shared our experiences and journey also things. So all the new mother wants to be mother, kindly have trust. Ma'am is a very good doctor. Kindly trust her and come show and listen and follow her instructions. You're in safe hands.
Oh my God, I feel so nice. And the outcomes are my babies. They are
ವರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ
ಹೇಳಿ,
ಐ
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಮನೇಲೂ ಇಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಧೀರೇಂದ್ರ ಕುಬೇರ್ ಅವರು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
Okay, very nice.
ಇಬ್ರಿಗೂ
ಅದು it
ಈ
becomes
same
like a family
ಇದ್ದಾಗಲೂ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಗೋಸ್ ವೆಲ್.
responsibility ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಅವ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನಂದುವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಬ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ತರ.
Very nice, very good. So I mean, definitely it's such a nice experience. Navella, we have gone through the pregnancy journey together. Chetanadu ashte, Bhagyashridu ashte. In fact, I have delivered 3 kids of Bhagyashri, twins and a son, and Chetana's wonderful Prajwal. But and I feel we deserve to be talking for about half an hour to 45 minutes about what reminiscing all our difficult and good memories through the pregnancy journey, which has ultimately led to these champions, these little champions. We will keep you updated, Chetana, in case Chetana's son Prajwal or Aprameya gets selected for the semi-final round. We would want them to actually do this, the models. Okay. And we will also send you a prize card. This will go into the YouTube channel. We will send you the link. All right. And we will also keep you informed about the Foundation Day celebrations. Thank you so much. Stay connected. Okay. I'm just a call away. We are always there. And please motivate other people to go through the same kind of positive and fruitful experience to have healthy children like you did. Okay. With this, I bid adieu today. For I think it is going to be the 9th episode, isn't it? The 9th episode of Mirror's Got Talent. All right. Until next, please stay connected. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
So
Bye.
much.
Bye, Prajwal. Bye, Aprameya.
Bye,
Bye.
Dr. Auntie.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.